Welcome to the farm, little explorers. Today we're going to meet some wonderful animal friends and learn their special secrets. Let's go. Cow. Cow. Cows are gentle animals that give us milk for dairy products like cheese and yogurt. Bull. Bull. The bull is the strong male of the family, known for his powerful muscles and sturdy build. Ox. Ox. An ox is a very patient worker, trained to pull heavy carts and ploughs across the farm. Calf. Calf. A baby calf is very curious and stays close to its mother to drink her nutritious milk. These four belong to the cattle family. Did you know, do cows have a best friend? Yes, scientists found that cows have best friends in their herd and feel much happier when they are together. Sheep. Sheep. Sheep are covered in thick, curly wool that grows longer over time. Ram. Ram. The ram is the male sheep, often recognized by his large, impressive, curved horns. Ewe. Ewe. The ewe is the mother sheep who provides soft wool and cares for her young lambs. Lamb. Lamb. A lamb is a young sheep that loves to jump and play in the green grass. These four belong to the sheep family. Did you know how many faces can a sheep remember? Sheep are very smart. They can remember and recognize at least 50 different faces of other sheep and humans for years. Pig. Pig. Pigs are very intelligent and have a sense of smell that is even stronger than a dog's. Boar. Boar. The boar is the father pig, known for being strong and protective of the group. Sow. The sow is a mother pig who can give birth to and care for many piglets at once. Piglet. Piglet. A piglet is a tiny baby pig that loves to snuggle with its brothers and sisters. These four belong to the pig family. Did you know, are pigs actually dirty animals? No, pigs are actually very clean. They only roll in mud to stay cool because they do not have sweat glands. Horse. Horse. Horses are very strong and have powerful legs that allow them to run very fast. Stallion. Stallion. A stallion is a fast and spirited male horse used for breeding. Mare. Mare. A mare is a female horse that takes great care of her young foal. 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 A baby foal is amazing because it can stand up and walk just a few hours after it is born. These four belong to the horse family. Did you know? How does a horse sleep? Horses can sleep while standing up. They have a special lock in their legs so they don't fall over while they nap. Chicken. Chicken. Chickens spend their day scratching the ground to find seeds and tiny insects. Rooster. Rooster. The rooster is the male chicken that wakes the farm up with a loud cock-a-doodle-doo. Hen. Hen. A hen is a female chicken that finds a quiet, safe spot in the coop to lay her eggs. Chick. Chick. A baby chick is covered in soft, fuzzy yellow feathers when it first hatches. These four belong to the chicken family. Did you know? Are chickens related to dinosaurs? Scientists believe the chicken is the closest living relative to the mighty Tyrannosaurus Rex. Duck. Duck. Ducks have webbed feet that work like paddles to help them swim in ponds. Drake. Drake. A drake is a male duck, often larger and more colourful than the female. Duckling. Duckling. A duckling is a baby duck that can swim and follow its mother into the water immediately. Goose. Goose. Geese have long necks and make a loud honk to talk to their friends. Gander. Gander. A gander is a male goose that acts as a guardian to keep the whole group safe. Gosling. Gosling. A baby gosling grows very quickly by eating lots of fresh green grass. These six belong to the waterfowl family. Did you know? Do ducks stay dry even when they are in the water? Yes, ducks have special oil on their feathers that makes water slide off, keeping their skin dry and warm. Donkey. Donkey. Donkeys are very strong and hardy animals used to carry heavy loads. Muley. Muley. A mule is a unique animal with a horse mother and a donkey father. They are very sure-footed. Camel. Camel. Camels are used for transport on farms in dry areas and store fat in their humps. These three belong to the helper family. Did you know? Why does a donkey have such big ears? Their big ears help them hear far away and act like coolers to help the donkey stay comfortable in the heat. Buffalo. Buffalo. Buffaloes give high-fat milk and love to bathe in wet farming areas. Turkey. Turkey. Turkeys are much larger than chickens and make a famous gobble sound. Rabbit. Rabbit. Rabbits have long ears and reproduce quickly. They love crunchy vegetables. Goat. Goat. Goats are amazing climbers and very curious animals that eat grass and leaves. Kid. Kid. A baby goat is called a kid. It grows very quickly and loves to play. These 5 are our unique farm friends. Did you know? Can a rabbit see behind its own head? Yes, because their eyes are on the sides of their head. Rabbits have 360-degree vision and can see behind them without turning around. You did a great job learning farm words today. Keep practicing and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.